Little Cayman, the smallest of the Cayman Islands, is one of those unique places in the world where coral reefs still thrive. A natural treasure which needs protection for future generations. The Central Caribbean Marine Institute's research indicates that whilst Little Cayman's reefs are not immune to the impacts of local and global change, they have remained stable over time and appear to be more resilient than other Caribbean coral reef systems. Understanding what makes corals resilient is the key to protecting biodiversity for the future, as healthy reefs are a necessity for a healthy planet. We can make a difference. The time is now to transform hope into actions. We must protect reefs for the future. It's time for change. Protect Little Cayman, a Mission Blue Hope Spot.